Today I'm planning to discuss this question paper. I think this is probably from year 2018. In this question paper has the similar pattern as we have discussed last question paper on LaTeX and HTML. Basically, this is of maximum 38 marks, and there are questions, short answer type questions. Some blank fill in blanks are there, like we have seen in the last question paper. So first question is LaTeX was designed by. So do you have any idea who designed it? Hello. Can you name it? Some name this who designed it? It is Leslie Lamport. L-E-S and L-I-E, Leslie Lamport. Leslie Lamport. And the environment creates numbered equations in LaTeX. What is the environment? Numbered equation. Begin equation and backslash end equation. Third part is the command is used to emphasize text in LaTeX. What is the command? Backslash EMPH. This is the syntax. Okay. So you can write some text here like this. So it will emphasize this text. Okay. Paragraphs are produced with the element in HTML. So what is the element we use for creating paragraph? This is P. So within P, you need to write something to create a new paragraph. So with this, we have a forward slash P. This is P tag, and then we use this closure of P tag by forward slash P. To create a hyperlink in HTML, element is used. What element is used? It's A. Like this. This is tag we use A, and then within this we write href, href, and equals to, and in quotes we write URL. Okay, and then we close it in this angular bracket, and then link text. Sometimes we at place you used to write, okay, click here. So on this link text, when you are executing this or saving, then on this text, link text, you will be getting a link on which when you will be clicking, it will redirect into that URL. Okay, and then we need to close it with forward slash and A. So these are the things. Okay. So next question, answer any 8 parts of the following. So give the command to include figure, my figure.jpg. So what are the commands? We use backslash begin figure and backslash end figure. In between, what we write? We write to keep center this figure. We write centering, and then include graphics. and then we specify here width and height. Width, suppose you are writing uh, if you are
0.5.
writing 3 centimeter or whatever you feel like. I think there is this width, width, and then comma, and then you can write as EIGST height equals to, suppose you are writing 3 centimeter or 2 centimeter, whatever you feel like, or inch. Okay, so this is the optional because optional or attributes are written in a square bracket in LaTeX, and then figure name. So they are writing figure name my fig.jpg this. Okay, so you can write my fig. This is name of figure, and then jpg. Okay, and then end figure is there, of course. Of course, you can write caption and label also, but thing is that minimum these many things are minimum required to include. Okay, of course you can skip this too, these attributes. Next, typeset the statement in LaTeX. Of course, there is something. I guess it is typo. So what is the volume of a rectangular tetrahedron? So everything you need to write like this. How we are going to write in LaTeX? So for this text, we need not need any environment kind of thing. Okay. So what we are going to write? We are going to write the volume of a regular tetrahedron tetrahedron of his length 1. So 1 is simply you can write like this. There is no issue. Is okay, and after that they are writing 1 above. So you have to type here single dollar, or you can also write like this backslash. In this environment you can also write, but let us write here in this environment in single dollar. So frac, okay, and in the numerator we are having a square root of 2. So backslash sqrt 2 sqrt2 sqrt2, and then we have 12. So like this. So this will produce this statement. Okay, frac, this is a by b, and if they would have written like this here, suppose they are writing like this. Okay, so you would have written it in this form, uh, backslash sqrt and then this forward slash 12 like this. Fine. So but they are writing one above another. Fine. So in that case we need to write like this. Fine. So question number third part is there. What is the output of the command? So they are putting, first you need to see whether the commands are okay. Okay, commands are okay. So they wanted output of this. So what is output here? Integration backslash int and then underscore. So they are writing here just like just a moment. Let me see if I can use this pencil. I can use or not. Don't think I can't use. I cannot use this, but I can take I think something from here. Okay, let us take pencil. Okay, so this part will give us in this integration from 0 to infinity, and then infty and e raised to power minus t. Okay, and then t to the power minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and this is equals to a square root of backslash pi. So you will be getting like this. Fine. So this is going to be output. And then correct the following input. So of course, if you are writing some mathematical expression, then they should be in math mode, like a dollar, single dollar, double dollar, or something, a begin equation, end equation kind of thing. Okay. So here you see theta and pi they have written. So they want what? They want correct input. Okay. So what we need? Correct input would be like this: if theta. So we need to write backslash theta equals to backslash pi, and let us close this and then write then sine theta. So backslash, sorry, in dollar, we have to write backslash sine and then backslash theta. This is equals to 0 and then another dollar we need to keep. Okay. And they want full stop, so we need to write here full stop also. Okay. All right. So next, give the output of the following command. One four.
ट्रायंगल होगा.
Hello. Yes, triangle. It will be triangle. So how we can see this? We need output. Okay. So this is let us write. Let us create a Cartesian plane. So here 1, here 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Similarly, here also we can write, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 1, 1 is here, and then 5, 1. 5, 1 is somewhere here, and then 1, 4. 1 and 4 here. Okay. So there are three different points. So PS line command will draw lines from 1, 1 to 5, 1. So 1, 1 to 5, 1. Here 1, 1 is there. 1, 1. So this 1, 1 and then it is very difficult here. 1, 1 to 5, 1. And then 5, 1 to 1, 4. 5, 1 to 1, 4 like this. And then 1, 1, 4. This 1, 4 to 1, 1. So 1, 4 is here and 1, 1 is here. So we need to draw like this. Okay. Fine. So this is the triangle. So this way you can create, of course, you can write coordinate system kind of thing. Okay. This coordinate system will not appear, but you can draw a triangle and you can write down coordinate here and here and here. Okay, so that is sufficient. So next part number 6. What does head section of web page content? So what it content? Do you remember?
Title, my page title.
Yeah, title page. Huh? Page of title. The title page.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, page title. Okay. It contains page title. Page title. Essentially, this is like this when you writing head and then head.
Title.
Okay. And then title is in between. Okay. So title and
backslash
you
title.
can write, yeah, you can write not backslash, here forward slash is there.
Oh, sorry.
So title of page or title page. Okay. Yeah, page title, whatever you feel like. page title you can write, and then you can forward slash and then title. So this is the thing, but essentially you need to write this statement that it contains page title. Okay, and seventh part, write the postfix notation of in standard form. So this is a prefix. Okay, so 1 plus x, it means 1 plus x, then add. You start from left and go to where first operation is written. So here is add, it means we need to add 1 plus x, 1 and x. So here we need to write 1 plus x, and then 2 and then exp is there. It means we need to
Raised to power
put a
2.
square, whole square. Okay, and then next move towards right, then we have sub, and before this we have this. Okay, 1x. So and then div. So what is there? 1 minus x, like this. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next eighth part, write the output of the command. So this will put to a
Circle of
circle of diameter 40. This circle of diameter 40. This is not radius. Okay.
yes, sir.
This is not radius. This is this will put at this coordinate. You need to write a single line that this will produce a circle of diameter 40 centered at this point, or not centered, but yeah, centered at this point. You can say like this. Okay, or at the place. This. Okay. So of course this will become a this. Yeah, at this point it will put. Okay, at this point it will put a circle of radius 40. Okay, uh, but this is not a good idea for your information. I'm writing, this is not a good idea to draw a circle, but better to write ps circle, and then you can write coordinate here and then radius here. Fine. So here radius, here x0 and y0. This will be center and this will be radius. So this is another thing, but this will produce a circle of diameter 40 at this point. Fine.
Sir,
Sometimes you
something.
may get one thing that if you are getting some command like this circle, okay, circle and then star, and then suppose you are getting like here 2. Fine. So this will produce a black circle. Black circle, I mean that is circle filled with black color, solid circle, solid kind of circle. Okay. I mean, when you are drawing a circle, you will be getting like this. But when you are you are putting a star here, it means you are going to get a circle of diameter 2 and with filled with color black. Black color, of course, this is red, but you will be getting. Where is the color?
सर वहां पे आउटपुट के जगह पे हम लोग दूसरा कमांड मतलब जैसे पीएस सर्कल लिख सकते हैं.
No, no, no. Output you have to write in sentence that it will create a circle of diameter 40 at this point. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So they are not asking that alternative, but I'm just for extra information, I'm telling these things to you. This thing, this and this also. So if you are writing backslash circle star and then 2 here, then be aware that don't think that, oh, this is a mistake. Maybe the star would not be there. Should not be there here. Okay. But thing is that this is also a command, and this will produce a circle of diameter 2. Okay. So for example, let me show you. Okay. Let me show you just a minute. Not here. I think I should. Okay. So this is the thing. You see the command here. I put grid here to just to make you understand the things. Okay. Here PS circle, and this is the usual command. This will produce a circle at centered at 0, 0 with the radius 2, and this will produce a circle of diameter 2 Okay. So why I am telling that this command is when you are writing put something, you are writing put, and then you are giving some coordinate to each. At that place in it, suppose you are writing here 0, 0, okay, 0, 0. So it will put a circle at that place. Sorry, what is there? Okay. So this is the small circle is produced by that. Okay, fine. But you cannot produce it to a very big circle with the help of this. This is just to use or just to create or just to produce a small circle. You cannot put a big circle. Okay, it is not as advisable. You have to use this command. Okay. Let me remove this one and one who is using this software can select this Texify first, then run this one, and then when it is coming, just close it, and then click here DVI to PS, and then PS to PDF. So after that, you will be getting this PDF. Okay, fine. And then this bigger circle is of radius. You see of radius 2. You can see here the command. So what I'm doing. This one with radius 2. Okay, like this. So let me make it 1, and then let us put here a star. So you will get to know what is the output of this. Actually, sometimes they give question here, you see, like this. Though I have written that it should be a circle of radius something of diameter 1, but you see, you won't be seeing that it is of diameter 1. So this is usually used to produce a small circle. Okay, not big circle. Okay, so let us see next question. Write the HTML for creating a hyperlink. Explain with an example. I think we have done it in the last lecture. You can or you can write like this. They want hyperlink. Okay. Yes, yes. I think we have done. Or you can use this one and explain much like this here in fifth part. Okay, you can explain it a little bit and you can use. Fine. So then last, what is the significance of ELT tag? This question was, I think, in the last paper we have discussed. ELT tag produces, in fact, this is not a tag, but it is an attribute. Okay. So this attribute helps us to produce alternative text in case that the particular image or object is not available. Okay, fine. Are you okay with this? This produces, with the help of this, we managed to produce alternate text for an object or image if it is not available. Okay.
Okay.
So, then question number 3. Draw a circle with radius r and shaded sector. I think we have done this, but still you can see this example number 10.3 of your textbook. Okay, this is on I think page number 79 or so. Yes, on 79.
Yes.
So this is a
Yes.
circle, and then you need to use PS wedge and fill color. Of course, this is a command for drawing circle, and then this is for extracting that part, this wedge. Okay, so this is that centered at 2, 2, the same center uh, as of circle, and radius 1.5. Here radius 1.5, and you are taking region 0 to 60 degree. You can take any other region also. Okay, and then color. Fine. So this is the thing you can uh, use this command, these commands. A second part of this is that find errors in the following code, write the correct version. Okay. So as I told you yeah, while discussing the last paper, you see closely, this is capital D. This should be small d. Fine. This should be small d. This should be. So first you have to suppose there won't be so many lines. So you can write this as it is first, and then you can make circle or something. Okay, here. So there is mistake. Document class, then article. You can see very clearly that what is if the spelling of this article is okay. So title my document. There is no problem. You can keep any whether in small or capital. Okay. So if they are writing here student, if they are making some mistake here, there is absolutely no problem. That is not a mistake. They want a corrected version in terms of a code.
And
Sometimes they write ATHOUR author like this. So you need to be very careful for this. Okay. Don't be get confused as, oh, this is a spelling. Okay. So one mistake is there. I think this question paper is of 2017, I guess. That's why they are writing. And then make title. Okay, make title is okay. Then begin document. If they are writing here capital T or here big C, so there will be problem. Okay. So begin enumerate, and then after that enumerate, they have. I don't think. Okay. So there is a mistake. I think. So they should write item, or if it is a mistake during scanning, I don't know.
मिसप्रिंट
So
हो गया
item, yeah,
वो
I think misprint हुआ है.
स्कैन नहीं हो पाया
Yeah, scan ठीक से नहीं हो पाया ना. So okay, so what is missing? Missing is this part. Okay, end backslash end and enumerate.
yes.
So that's all. Fine. So maybe 10 to 12 lines will be there. So once you can write with error, and then you can mark, hey, here is mistake, and there is mistake, there is mistake. Okay, there is mistake, and enumerate missing. Okay, and then you just draw a line, and then you can write corrected form, and then you can write output. What is will be output? Corrected form you can write. Okay, just write down everything with small d here, and here ended up enumerate. Okay, so output you have to write, and then you write output. So what will be output? My document. So first line, my document. My document. My document, and then there is a date. So 13/10 2017. Okay, author is there. So in between here, write you have to write the author also. Author here. So here you have to write student. Okay, and then after that enumerate is there. So begin enumerate, in enumerate. So number 1 and number 2 like this you have to write. So here you write suppose. Okay, and also here there is also, because uh, some mistakes are there. So every numeric thing you can put in dollar. Fine. Here also dollar, here also dollar. Okay. So suppose that you have to write suppose that, and then in continuation you have to write x equals to 137. Okay. And then next line, let n equals to 3, then n square plus 1 equals to 10. Don't forget to keep full stop at both places. So this is the output. I think this code you can write bigger, little bigger expression. Okay. So I don't know. I don't need. I think to explain anything here. So write down a code for the following typesetting. Define this. Okay, this is a matrix, and you can try. I have told you enough how to write matrix. In fact, this expression is from your book. In your book, you can find it out. Uh, I think 10 kind of thing was there from here or what? No, this is a different. This expression is different. Okay, this is different. This is different. Where there is somewhere I have seen. Okay, this is the thing they wanted. Okay, this VN. Okay, Vandermonde matrix of order n. Okay, so this you can see the code. You know this is produced by C dot C dot C dot, and this is V dot V dots V dot V dots also, and this is C dot. Okay, V dots will produce 3 vertical dots. Okay, and this is a diagonal dot, so we use command D dots. So like you can see the code of this also here. This is D dots. Okay, so D dot will produce a diagonal dot. L dot, you know that this will produce uh, dots just below the line, that is in the bottom of the line. Okay, and V dots vertical line. So from here you can see the code. For product they are writing, so you can write PR backslash PR2D like this. Okay. So from here you can get help from this place. Right. This is a page number 68. Okay. 69. Create the following presentation in Latex. I think you have enough number of information on this. Huh? So you need to write your title, Armstrong number, and then this is your name, student A, and then date. You can write like this. Okay. So and then in the slide you have to in the first slide you have to write like this. Okay. You need not to then write what is a table of content and all. These are the simple things. Okay. But here you have learned much advanced. You can so that you can do this. So there is number 3 slide. So for this, you don't think that you are going to create only one slide for this. They wanted 3 slides, so one slide and then second slide, then this is third slide. Okay, then okay, you can create this. Okay, and then next part is put an image of a mathematical object in your web page and describe the image. So you know how to insert an image on HTML page. Okay, so something you can write in paragraph form about that image. That's all. Fine. Like you can put an image something Pythagorean triangle. Okay, so you just write a command how to insert that Pythagorean triangle, and side you can write command. Suppose you are writing command here. Okay, or just a minute. This is your page. This is your page. Okay, this is your page. You are writing commands, HTML command. Okay, so you write HTML command. So here you are writing to insert image. Okay, img. insert image, then of course you are writing scr source code, and then image.jpg, image.jpg, and of course sorry, this is you need to put here in double quotes. Okay. Of course you may remove this, remove this. Of course this comma is not needed here. Let it go there. Okay, so you can also if you are removing this, then you can also write alt alternate text. Okay, in quotes you can write something xyz or something you can write, and then you can close it like this. You can include some image. Okay, so image.jpg, if they are writing jpg, image.jpg you are writing. So somewhere after code, or you can write some comment here. Okay, in some comment here or in the place here, that you are inserting a Pythagorean triangle like ABC. Of course, this would not be appeared here. Fine. So ABC you are writing, and then you can now you have, and in the starting you have to write that doc type HTML. Okay, doc type HTML here. You have to write initial thing. Okay, everything you have to write from the top, and then you have to insert this, and then from here you create some paragraph. Okay, you create some paragraph, and in paragraph you write that the Pythagorean triangle something like this. You can write this 5, this is 4, this is 3. Okay, so you can also here write like this 3 square plus 4 square equals to 5 square. This is the thing, uh, what this is representing. Okay, fine. All right. So this is how you have to attempt. I think you got the things. Do you have any doubt or anything to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the question paper we have discussed. I think this was from 2017. Okay. So let us meet you on Monday.
Thank you for watching this video. To stay updated, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cosmos Learning. Happy learning through Cosmos Learning. To watch more, click on any of these cards. Thank you once again.